If you're a UAE resident and planning a trip to South Korea in 2024, you're in for an incredible journey. South Korea is a vibrant and dynamic country that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. With its rich cultural heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and world-class attractions, South Korea is a must-visit destination for every travel enthusiast. In this South Korea travel guide, we will provide you with all the essential information you need to plan your trip and make the most of your visit. Before embarking on your journey to South Korea and get a South Korea visa from Dubai, it's important to understand the visa requirements. UAE residents traveling to South Korea need to obtain a tourist visa before entering the country. To apply for a South Korean tourist visa from Dubai, you will need to submit the following documents: appointment, valid UAE residence visa, passport with a minimum validity of 6 months, completed visa application form, a recent passport-sized photograph, bank statements proving your financial capability to cover your expenses during the trip, NOC, travel insurance, travel itinerary. Starting the visa application process well in advance is highly recommended to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. South Korea is famous for K-pop, cinema, cosmetic surgery, fashion trends, Buddhist temples, and big brands like Samsung and Hyundai. South Korea is a global leader in innovation and technology. One must visit this country to experience its traditional and modern culture, unique food, emerging technologies, and natural environment. The South Korean won, KRW, is the official currency of Korea South. Korean is the official language of South Korea, but Japanese, English, and Mandarin languages are also widely spoken and understood. The climate in Korea is temperate, with 4 very distinct seasons. The winter season is typically cold and dry, while summer is generally hot and humid with a lot of rainfall. Spring and autumn are mostly dry and clear. Must-visit destinations in South Korea: 1. Seoul, 2. Jeju Island, 3. Busan, 4. Gyeongju, 5. Incheon. Best things to do in South Korea: walk Seoul and visit the Seoul Tower. Try on traditional Korean hanbok. Enjoy tea at a Buddhist temple. Feast on some street food. Bust a move at a K-pop dance class. Explore new technologies in Seoul's shopping malls. Discover traditional Hanok architecture. Party in Busan on a yacht. Visit Seoraksan National Park. Witness true natural beauty at Changdeokgung Palace. South Korea is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology. As a UAE resident, you have the opportunity to explore this captivating land and immerse yourself in its unique culture. From the bustling streets of Seoul to the serene landscapes of Jeju Island, South Korea is sure to leave a lasting impression. Make sure to plan your trip in advance, check visa requirements, and create an itinerary that covers the must-visit destinations. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure in South Korea in 2024.